Okay, so now that you have completed your program, you will need to upload it and put it into Blackboard so that I can grade it. So the key here is that when you create a project in Visual Studio, Visual Basic, it creates more than one file and folder, and they're all together in what I call a root folder, or they should be at least. So once I have started working on this program or project, you can see that it's in my temporary folder, and I put it there just to make it easier to see. And it's the only one in that folder. So you can see I've got all of these other files and folders within that main project folder. So this is my project folder. I shouldn't see any other Visual Studio files outside of that one, at least not any that will belong to this project. So directly under it, you should have a root folder or another folder. This one is not a root folder, it's just included in the root folder. And then you should see at least one .sln solution file and one .suo user options file. The other ones you might not see because I've used several versions of Visual Studio here. So for the folder, that's the weekly temperature average, that is your root folder. If you go into it, these are the additional ones. So I need all of what's in this folder in order to grade it. So you upload it, and you will have to ensure that I have everything that I need in order to run it and to grade it. So what you'll do is zip the folder so that you don't have to upload every individual folder and file. You'll zip the folder and upload it, and then I'll download everything, unzip all the files, and then I'll run the programs. So before I do that, I'm going to just make sure that my program runs. So I'm going to start it, and some programs you only have to take a screenshot. So here in the background, when you only have to take a screenshot, you should have your interface and design view, or either the code and code view. So let's say I'm going to just make up some numbers here. Okay, so that works, and let's just say I want to troubleshoot or test it and make sure that everything is working okay. And let's say I forget this number, so let's troubleshoot it. And when you do that, it should tell you that you need to enter all numeric values in the status strip. So make sure that that works as well. So let's go in and just add one here and calculate it, make sure everything runs, and we'll exit since we know that everything runs. Okay, so once we've done that, we'll make sure you use the Save All button to save it. And that's right here. Saves all of those files and folders that you just saw. And click on Close. And again, this is the only one that you'll need to upload. So we'll zip this one. And again, we're in the root folder. Okay, it's the only one in there. But if you look within it, it has all the solution files inside of it. Okay, don't send just a solution file. Everything has to be inside of this root folder. So right click on it, go to Send To and Compressed. You can just leave the name of the folder the same. And notice that if you open the zipped folder, be very careful. Try not to go in and use that one in order to edit your program, because it says extract here, and you have to extract it before you can use it. So if you need to edit your program, go back into this folder that is not zipped, edit it there, and then just re-zip it and upload the correct one. So this is the one that you'll upload. So just read your directions to see which ones you actually need to zip and upload versus just getting screenshots.